Okay, Math Expressions, Unit 5, Lesson 8. In this Lesson 8 homework and remembering paper, we have both the dividend and the divisor as decimal numbers. So we'll start with our divisor, and like we did before, we'll make that a whole number by multiplying this one by 100 because the 7's in the hundredth place. So now this is a 7 because our decimal is there. Now we must move the decimal and the dividend the same amount of times we moved it for the divisor. So we move this twice. We must move this twice. So we move it twice. Now we have a 0, and we make this dividend 420. Now we divide. 7 can go into 42 6 times. 7 times 6 is 42. We have a 0, we bring down a 0. Once we bring down that 0 and 7 still can't go into it, then we bring it up. Let's try another one. Alright, so number 4. Same thing, we have both of our dividend and our divisor that are decimals. We'll make our divisor a whole number to start. We move that decimal twice. Do the same thing for our dividend. Move it twice. Okay. Now we have 24. We have 206 and 4/10 as our dividend. 24 cannot go into 2 or 20, but it can go into 206. So 24 goes into 206 8 times. Notice how I wrote that 8 right above the 6. And I'll bring that decimal up, right up, from my dividend. This was brought right up. 8 times 24, 192. I subtract, and I get 14. 24 cannot go into 14, so I bring down the 4. 24 can go into 144 6 times. And I have 0 left over. Okay? So we must change the divisor to a whole number first by multiplying it, and then we also move the decimal for the dividend the same amount of times we did for the divisor. Alright? Good luck. Hopefully you can do well on this. There are some more division problems on the remembering side that you must be able to do as well for this unit. Have a good night.